Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Bruno Guillou, and this is my 1967 Chevelle Super Sport. I just had it recently done at a local shop in Illinois, but I had a lot of corrective work done at Black Dog Speed Shop. Some things that weren't done properly. They did all the redo on it. The color is Mitsubishi Maize and Blue from a 2009 Mitsubishi Eclipse.
That is incredible.
It's a beautiful blue.
Now, did you get this car in this condition? Or?
No, I've had this car for 32 years. I'm pretty sure it was my dad's car. He bought a 1967 Chevelle Super Sport, brand new in 1967. He took it to, he sold it in Texas. And I was working at his auto parts store. Some dude from Texas came and had the car, so I bought it for $600.
That is a good deal.
Yeah.
I'll give you $700 right now.
No. 1,000, I'll take it.
There you go. Now, these rims, do you know what kind of rims you have on here?
These are American Racing Cobra rims. They're from a Cobra.
Wow.
The Shelby Eleanor Mustangs they use the same rims.
Right. Now, is your father still with us?
He is, but he doesn't remember anything. He has Alzheimer's.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what a great way to keep the tradition and family memories.
He always wanted to soup up the car and modernize it, so he didn't get a chance to do it, so I did it.
Wow.
Yeah. And one day it'll be my son Andres' car.
There you go.
Hopefully one day.
There you go. There you go. We have it on film. We have it on film.
Yeah.
So so how much work did you put into this? What did you paint?
It's pretty extensive. It's frame off. The frame was reinforced. It was shortened in the back so we can put some bigger tires. It has a mini tub. It has an all-new fuel system.
Wow.
The suspension is Ride-Tech, level 3, coilover shocks.
That is so nice.
9-inch Moser rear end, Tremec T56 6-speed.
That is so nice. Wow.
Yeah.
So what's your hobby?
This. Just taking it to car shows and stuff. Yeah.
Wow.
I raced it a couple times, but I don't plan on racing it anymore. It's just too much abuse on the car.
Sure.
Yeah.
And look at this interior. Wow.
The dash, I came up with the idea, but the builder did the overall, execution.
That is absolutely.
And it came out really, really nice.
Absolutely incredible.
The interior is all leather. These are Recaro seats. Leather interior. It's got a tiger cage from Ride-Tech.
Wow.
Roll cage.
Wow. And then now these are all the different.
These were sponsors, build sponsors. Valspar paint, CNR radiator cooling, American Racing wheels, Stewart Warner gauges, but I changed the gauges.
Wow.
Ride-Tech.
Now it
has a fire suppression system from FireTrek.
Now seeing the car in this condition, I can only imagine that the engine has to be
Yeah,
the same.
yeah, I'll show you.
All right. All you car
The engine is an LSA 376. Originally it's 505 horsepower, but I redid all the internals in it, so it's really souped up. It's 700 horsepower to the wheel, the way it's set up now.
Wow. And look how clean this is.
It's actually dirty.
Also, if you still have your raffle tickets,
Yeah.
the 50-50 tickets that were white,
Now
and the
tell me what we have
card that
going on over there. Those
black
3 bottles.
So we got a master cylinder for the front, master cylinder for the rear,
Oh, really?
and a hydraulic master cylinder for the clutch.
Sets of free gifts they're going to be giving away. So make sure you kept all your cards from the North Lake days that we had a little break there.
Now I noticed that you have someone standing next to you.
This is my son Andres.
Hey. And then I would imagine one day that you would want to put the same amount of respect and responsibility into that?
Yeah. When I get the car, I'm going to take the car shows as much as I can. Of course, when it's only good days like this, and it's not raining.
We try not to drive it in the rain and stuff. We do get caught in the rain on occasion, which is
Yeah,
a
this
bummer.
car attracts rain like crazy.
Yeah.
Now is he working his way up with responsibility by washing it? And
Of course. He takes good care of it, yeah.
good grades?
Yeah, absolutely. He does really good in school, yeah.
Good.
It's all on film, so I'm gonna get this car.
Tell me what we have going on over here.
So the bottom is an air spoiler. What it does is it literally spoils the air, so an air dam, it pushes the air up towards the radiator to keep it cooler, because these engines typically run hot, 210 degrees.
Right.
Yeah.
So make sure you
Have you won any car show awards?
Yes, a couple of first place, 1 or 2 second place. Yeah, that's about it. Just about 3 or 4 awards.
Now, do you let your wife drive?
No, she doesn't know how to drive
You're
it.
the only driver so far,
Yeah,
right?
so far, yeah.
I think I can drive it if you ask.
No.
No, that's another.
No.
Another video. Another video. There you go. What kind of wax do you use?
I don't know. I take it to a detailer, so I don't know what he uses, to be honest with you. But we're going to put a glass coating on it pretty soon. Keep it from scratching and stuff.
All right, now my dad's gonna start the car. All right, Dad. If you took this car to the track, what time do you think you'll get?
On a drag race, probably 9 seconds. Probably about 8 or 9 seconds. We're hoping. We're hoping.
That's always
we
good
don't
to
know.
All right, can you tell everyone that's watching what's on the dash? What did you do to it?
So we got a speedometer, boost gauge, oil pressure, tach, oil, temperature, water temperature, fuel, volts. We have power off. We have a fire suppression system here, and a bias brake adjuster for adjusting brakes on the fly on autocross or road race.
Dad, do you like driving this car often? Is it fun?
I freaking love it.
Quote unquote.
Honestly, just even being a passenger is really fun.
It's a lot of fun.
It's really fun to cruise around. You could be in this car for hours.
So I forgot to mention that this car was at the Autobahn racetrack, and they did a photo shoot to be on the cover of Super Chevy magazine. And we actually had the honor of being on the cover of Super Chevy magazine.
Drink your beer and your shots or wine, whatever you have on the street.
Okay, everyone, thanks for watching this YouTube video.
Don't forget to subscribe. US Classic Muscle Cars.